Ciao, Tusi. Welcome to Chamba Academy, where your study abroad dreams can be a reality. Today's video is one of the most anticipated videos, and the reason why I say so is if you have been following through in my previous videos where I talked about the documents that you would require in order to apply for admission, or how you can search for universities abroad and how you can actually get to apply for admission, then your next step is to apply for the scholarship, of course. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can apply for the Italian government scholarship. The name of the scholarship is the MAECI scholarship, which is Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. This scholarship is one of the most competitive, one of the most prestigious scholarships in Italy and of course in the world. So when I was applying for this scholarship at the time, a number of us, of course, did apply for this scholarship. The reason why I say that it's very competitive is because after doing the interviews, only 2 people were awarded the scholarship. And lucky enough, I was one of those people. So it's very competitive, but it's a very, very prestigious scholarship, very well recognized. And in order to apply for this scholarship, there are a number of things, of course, that you will need, a number of steps that you will have to take in order to apply for this scholarship. So firstly and foremost, I am going to leave the link to the scholarship since it's open, and the deadline is on the 9th of June. I will leave the link in the description box so that you can go straight to the link and apply for the scholarship. Firstly and foremost, when you go to the official Esteri website, you will have to register for an account, of course. And when you register for your account, you will then have to go to the part that says grants, where there is the official call of application, and then you will apply for the scholarship. The basic information that is required to apply for this scholarship is, of course, your personal info. It's a very simple process. You insert your personal information, your name, your address, your contact information, your citizenship, and of course you will have to upload an identification document such as your national registration card or your passport. And I would highly request that you upload your passport, because if you intend on studying abroad this October, you will need to have a passport, of course. After you have put in this information, you will need to then put in the course data. So on the part that says course data, you have to put a maximum of 3 schools. So you can either put 3 different schools that have similar programs, or you can put in 2 schools that have similar programs of interest. Like in my case, I had put in 2 different schools. One university in Venice to study environmental sustainability, and also to do another program which is climate disaster risk management and climate change adaptation. Then the third program was at the University of Siena to do biodiversity, conservation, and environmental quality. So I had put these programs in this order. Now, please take note. The first school that you put in as your priority school is the school that will be stated in your letter of the grant. So in my case, I had put the university in Venice as my priority, university. So when my letter came, despite the fact that I didn't have admission from University of Venice, I had to, it still came saying, oh, you've been awarded the grant to study at this university in Venice, when in actual sense I wanted to come to Siena. So I had to tell the scholarship committee to change my letter to state that I am going to study at the University of Siena, where I have been offered admission. So please make sure that your priority university is one where you are assured of admission, or is the one you are most likely to go to, so that you avoid any other bureaucratic procedures. After you have put in your course data, you will need to move on to actually upload your documents for this scholarship. So the documents that are required for this scholarship is, of course, your curriculum vitae. You will need to also put in your degree certificate. For example, on the part that says exams/transcript, you can put your degree certificate. Then the part that says exams, you can put your actual transcripts. Then the part that states that you can upload a document from an Italian tutor, you can either upload your admission letter. If you have nothing, then you can just leave it blank. It does not affect your scholarship application. In my case, I left it blank because I didn't have admission at that time, and I definitely didn't have any letter from an Italian tutor. On other documents, you can upload any other certificates that you have, or recommendation letter, or anything. In my case, I uploaded all my certificates in projects planning and management, M&E, business marketing and entrepreneurship skills, basic first aid certificate, disaster risk management. All the certificates that I had uploaded them, including my recommendation letter. I had merged all the documents and uploaded on the part that says others. Then when you're done uploading your documents, you will need to type in your motivation letter. Not this. Type in your motivation letter. You cannot copy and paste. Your motivation letter is limited to 1,000 characters, which are supposed to be typed in. If you copy and paste, you cannot proceed. You cannot submit your application. You will actually see a note on the website saying, type in your motivation letter. Do not copy or paste. After you type in your motivation letter, then you can go ahead and submit your application. And that's how quick and easy it is to apply for the Italian government scholarship. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload any content, you are notified. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.